Good morning, students. Welcome to online class. So, in the last class, introduction completed. What we discussed in the last class: existence of inverse property, then commutative property, then distributive property. With that, all six properties completed, and then existence of inverse property is important. Minus a is known as additive inverse of a. 1 by a is known as multiplicative inverse of a. Multiplicative inverse means reciprocal. Additive inverse means change the sign. Multiplicative inverse of 0 not exists because 0 for 0 there is no reciprocal. Additive inverse of 0 is 0. So it is completed in the last class. Commutative property completed. Distributive property completed. Distributive property, left distributive property completed, right distributive property completed. Today we will start exercise 1.1. Keep heading exercise 1.1 and write the all first problem. Totally 9 sums are there. Everywhere name the property by observing and name the property. See the first one. What is the heading of the problem? Name the property involved in the following. Name the property involved. Name the property involved. First one, 8 by 5 plus 0 equal to 8 by 5 means you get the same number. Again 0 plus 8 by 5. Tell me what is the property? What is the name of the property? Name of the property. You get the same number and 0 is there. I told you important properties about 0 also in third property, existence of identity. So observation plays an important role. Observe very clearly. Don't by heart the problems. Observe it clearly and name the property. You are getting the same number. What is the given one? 8 by 5. And again you are getting 8 by 5. By adding what number? 0. What is the name of the property? You get the same number. Means name of the property is, what is the name of the property? Additive identity. Identity property under addition. Identity property under addition. How it is known to you? Because we are getting the same number and 0 is there. Identity property under addition. First one answer. Second one, here how many 2's are there? 1, 2. Right side how many 2's are there? 2 2's. What is the name of the property? Left side 1 2, right side 2 2's. 2 is what? 2 is distributed. 2 is distributed. 2 is distributed to 3 by 5. 2 is distributed to 1 by 2. Name of the property? Distributive property. Distributive property. Third one. 3 by 7 into 1. Again you are getting the same. You are getting the same means name of the property. I told you at that time only. You are getting the same. Means name of the property. Again, identity property under multiplication. Or you can write multiplicative identity property. Identity property under multiplication. Identity property under multiplication. Fourth one. Again you are getting the same. Minus 2 by 5 into 1. You are getting minus 2 by 5 again. There also 1 is there again. Again what? Same property. Identity property under multiplication. Again you are getting the same. Identity property under multiplication. Same property. Ditto. Next one. What are the given fractions? 2 by 5, 1 by 3. 1 by 3, 2 by 5. Two numbers, two fractions. Add in different ways. What property? I told you. Fifth property. What is that? Commutative property. Commutative property. Commutative property. Next one. 5 by 2 into 3 by 7. So two fractions, two numbers. Multiply. 5 3s are 15. 2 7s are 15. It is a rational number. 5 by 2 is a rational number. It is a rational number. Again we get the rational number. What property? Two numbers we need. Multiply. Again we get rational number. What is that property? Closure, you know. Closure property. Closure under multiplication. Closure property under multiplication. Tell me what is this? Anyone? 7a plus minus 7a. Your answer should be 0. Where I told your answer should be 0. Where I told it. Additive inverse property. Existence of inverse. I told you. And this is inverse property under addition. Under addition. Next one. X into 1 by x. X cancel, you get 1. You get 1 means it is what? Inverse property. So this is inverse property under multiplication. Under multiplication. Last one. 2 into x plus 2 into 6 equal to 2 into x plus 6. Here how many 2's? 2 2's. Here how many 2's? 1 2. What is that? Again distributive. So this is distributive property. What is that? Distributive property. This is problem number 1. So through discussion we are naming the property. Through discussion we are writing the name of the property everywhere. When 0 is there, it is identity property under addition. When 1 is there, it is identity property under multiplication. Sometimes you are getting 0 as the answer, it is inverse property under addition. Sometimes you are getting 1 as the answer, it is inverse property under multiplication. So this is problem number 1, very easy, only name of the property is enough. Second problem is, what is the second problem in exercise 1.1? This is first one. Second problem in exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1, second problem. Write the additive and the multiplicative inverse of the following. Write the additive and multiplicative inverses of the following. Inverses of the following. This is the heading of the problem. So total 5 problems are there. Number 1, minus 3 by 5. Number 2, 1. Number 3, 0. Number 4, 7 by 9. Number 5, minus 1. So total 5 problems are there. Everywhere we need to write additive inverse and multiplicative inverse. Solution. First number minus 3 by 5. Second one plus 1. Third one 0. Fourth one plus 7 by 9. Fifth one minus 1. First one, solution. Additive inverse, multiplicative inverse. How to get additive inverse? I told you in introduction. Simply change the sign. minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus. So what is the additive inverse of minus 3 by 5 plus 3 by 5? What is the multiplicative inverse of minus 3 by 5? What I told about multiplicative inverse? Reciprocal. Reverse it, reciprocal. So what we get? Minus 5 by 3. So additive inverse means change the sign change. Change the sign. Multiplicative inverse means reciprocal. Second one, plus 1. Additive inverse for plus 1 is minus 1. Additive inverse for plus 1 is minus 1. Multiplicative inverse for plus 1 is, what is multiplicative inverse? Reciprocal. One reciprocal is what? 1 only. So 1 only. Third one, 0. Additive inverse of 0. I told you in introduction also, 0 is neither positive nor negative, neutral. So what is the additive inverse of 0? Itself 0 only. 0 additive inverse 0 only. What is the multiplicative inverse of 0? What I told you in introduction, 0 has no reciprocal because 0 means 0 by 1. Reciprocal 1 by 0. Not okay. So multiplicative inverse not exist. So 0 has no multiplicative inverse, no reciprocal. Number 4. Additive inverse plus 7 by 9. What is the additive inverse of plus 7 by 9? Minus 7 by 9. What is the multiplicative inverse? What is multiplicative inverse? Reciprocal. 7 by 9 becomes 9 by 7. Fifth one, additive inverse. Minus 1 is there. What is the additive inverse of minus 1 plus 1? What is the multiplicative inverse of minus 1? Reciprocal. 1 reciprocal 1 only. So it is minus 1. So what is additive inverse? Change the sign. What is multiplicative inverse? Reciprocal. How to get additive inverse? Change the sign. Suppose first one minus 3 by 5. How to get additive inverse? Change the sign. Minus becomes plus. What is multiplicative inverse? Reciprocal. Reverse. So minus 3 by 5 reciprocal minus 5 by 3. Second one plus 1. What is the additive inverse of plus 1? Minus 1. What is the multiplicative inverse of 1? 1 only. How to get additive inverse? Change the sign. How to get multiplicative inverse? Reciprocal. Third one, 0. Additive inverse of 0. 0. Multiplicative inverse of 0. Not exist. I told you in introduction also, additive inverse of 0 is itself. Multiplicative inverse of 0 is not exist. Not exist. So 0 has no reciprocal. Fourth one, plus 7 by 9. What is the additive inverse of plus 7 by 9? How to get additive inverse for plus? Becomes minus. So plus 7 by 9, additive inverse minus 7 by 9. Multiplicative inverse 9 by 7. Next, similarly for minus 1. This is problem number 2. Okay na? So what we did in problem number 1, only name of the property. By seeing the problems, simply we are naming the properties. If 0 is there, we are naming identity property under addition. When 1 is there, we are naming identity property under multiplication. If you are getting the answer 0, we are naming the property as inverse property under addition. If you are getting the answer 1, and we are naming the property as inverse property under multiplication, and left side 2 one time, right side 2 times. 2 is distributed to 3 by 5 and 2 is distributed to 1 by 2. We are naming the property as distributive property, and two fractions are there, 5 by 2 and 3 by 7, and we are multiplying. Again we get the rational number, means it is closure property under multiplication. And commutative property, fifth one, commutative property, 2 by 5 1 by 3, 1 by 3 2 by 5, both are equal, means it is commutative property under addition. Commutative property under addition, it is commutative property under addition. And second one, additive inverse, multiplicative inverse. How to get additive inverse? Change the sign. How to get multiplicative inverse? Reciprocal. Additive inverse of 0 is itself 0. Multiplicative inverse of 0 not exist because 0 has no reciprocal. In the next class, we see next sums. Thank you, students.